I'm trained to be an expressive arts therapist, where we use multiple modalities like dance, drama, art, and story for therapy. This workshop that I attend with Priyanka has really helped me to tell stories in my best potential that I can, and really understanding the different aspects of a storytelling. And it's really helped me tell stories for all kinds of audiences and all kinds of children. To be able to read a story and make it your own. And it also helped me see my strengths that I could enhance and use it forward in the stories that I tell further. She is a beautiful person, and I think for the kind of work she does, she's extremely humble, and that's the beauty in her. And as a facilitator, she made sure that we learn things from her, and in fact from other teachers also. She's extremely friendly, and feedback bhi dena ho to is just very straightforward and very genuine. The authenticity with which she tells the story, and एकदम वो प्यार झलकता है when she speaks or when she tells the story, and that's what really attracted me every time I heard her stories, and I knew that I wanted to learn from her. Thank you so much, Priyanka.